Recipe for today, some curry corned beef. Remember Jamaican cooking. Alright, my peeps, recipe for today, some curry corned beef known as bully beef. You can see bully beef here. Some onion, black pepper, see curry here, sweet pepper, hot pepper, some garlic, some scallion. The recipe I go nice. Please to like and share. Remember, curry corned beef known as curry bully beef. The recipe I go eatable, tasteable, delicious. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. Starting lighting the fire, right? Hey. Yes, peeps, we're going to add some oil to the pot now, right? You can see we add the oil to the pot now. So make that one hot. Hot as ever, how we want it, right? You see what I'm spicing, cut up and things, scallion, pepper, onion, garlic, bell pepper. You can see all of spicing cut up and ready, right? Yeah, man. You see all hot there. Yes, and keep the oil around to rough this. Let it pop. You want it around to rough it, right? And add some pepper here, some tomato, some garlic added to the oil, right? Add some turmeric to the oil, like this. One burn. And some curry here. Add some curry seeds. One burn also. One burn no more, right? Yeah. Stir it well. I'm going to stir it here, like this. Yeah. So I'm going to add the green seasoning. See curry burn and get black there. So we don't want to get too black. You see it just get dark like that. And it black it or bitter. So we have some green seasoning like this to it now. So we're going to stir it well, right? Yeah. Season them fry up and thing now. Pinch of black pepper to it, right? Please try this recipe and tell me what it's a recipe and nice curry corned beef known as curry bully beef. I tell you, the first I try it, I'm enjoy it. Tasteable, eatable, delicious. Finger licking. I'm 10 finger more lick off my peeps. Nice.